Are you tired of the brutally cold winters? Are you looking for a low-maintenance home in one of Phoenix's most sought-after locations? I'm Blair Ballin of the Ballin Real Estate Team, and welcome to 3139 East Vermont in Village on the Lakes in the Biltmore in Phoenix, Arizona. Let's check out this amazing 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with den and low-maintenance backyard. For more information on this home or any other home in the Phoenix area, give me a call at 480-233-6433 or visit my website at blairballin.com.